Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18 November 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here reflects news items in public media and does not represent our opinions. The social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, is experiencing a turbulent period. Elon Musk, the owner, has been at the center of this storm, transforming X into a controversial space. The platform is seeing a mass user exodus, partly due to the political climate following Donald Trump's election victory. This has led to increased competition from rivals like Blue Sky, which recently gained 16 million users. Critics argue that Musk's actions, such as reinstating Trump's account and firing content moderators, have contributed to a toxic environment, prompting notable figures and media organizations to leave X. Speculation is rife about a potential merger between X and Trump's Truth Social, which could further align the platform with far-right ideologies. The relationship between Musk and Trump is seen as transactional, with doubts about its sustainability, given their differing views on issues like trade and climate change. Meanwhile, Blue Sky is emerging as a preferred alternative for former X users, although it still trails behind Meta's Threads in user numbers. The future of X remains uncertain, with possibilities ranging from its collapse to becoming a platform for Musk's AI ventures. In the realm of artificial intelligence, the court case between Elon Musk and Sam Altman has unveiled a trove of emails from key figures at OpenAI. These emails shed light on early discussions about AI development and strategic decisions. Notably, Altman proposed a non-profit AI initiative to benefit humanity, which Musk supported, emphasizing AI safety. However, tensions arose as OpenAI evolved, leading to Musk's resignation from the board in 2018, amid concerns about the organization's direction and a shift towards a for-profit model. Elon Musk's new AI venture, XAI, is making waves as it seeks to raise up to $6 billion, valuing the company at $50 billion. The funding will primarily be used to acquire 100,000 NVIDIA chips for a new supercomputer in Memphis, supporting Tesla's full self-driving technology. XAI, launched in July 2023, aims to understand the true nature of the universe and has already introduced a chatbot named Grok. With Trump as president-elect, Musk is reportedly collaborating on AI and technology policies, potentially influencing the regulatory environment for AI development in the US. In a recent interview, Robin Zeng, CEO of CATL, criticized Elon Musk's expertise in battery technology, claiming Musk doesn't know how to make a battery. This follows a debate over Tesla's 4680 battery, which Musk has promoted as a cost-reducing game-changer for electric vehicles. Despite Tesla's production of 100 million cells, Zeng remains skeptical, favoring CATL's Life P04 pouch cells over Tesla's cylindrical designs. He also criticized Musk's ambitious timelines, suggesting they often lead to disappointment, particularly with future projects like the Cybercab. Nilay Patel, editor-in-chief of The Verge, has voiced concerns about Elon Musk's influence in a potential second Trump administration, describing it as a threat to the First Amendment and press freedom. Patel likened Musk to an unelected defense contractor, manipulating media narratives. He criticized the tech industry's shift towards monopoly and corruption, with leaders aligning with Trump for personal gain. Patel emphasized the need for transparency in journalism and questioned the ethics of journalists remaining on platforms like X, urging them to build independent audiences. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Elon Musk and his ventures informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us next time for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.